Want to make sure you never miss an important appointment, meeting, or reminder? Windows Clock makes it easy to create alarms directly on your PC. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to set alarms in Windows Clock in 2026, including how to customize the time, repeat schedule, sound, and snooze options. First, open the Start menu and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app to launch it. Once the app opens, select Alarms from the navigation menu. To create a new alarm, click the Add Alarm button, usually shown with a plus icon. A new alarm card will appear where you can choose exactly when you want the alarm to go off. Choose your preferred hour and minute, and make sure you select the correct AM or PM setting if you're using 12-hour time. Yeah, double-check the time before saving the alarm. Give the alarm a name so you know what it's for. You can also choose which days it should repeat. For example, you could create a weekday alarm for work or school, or set it for a specific day when you only need a one-time reminder. Next, choose an alarm sound that you'll easily notice. Windows Clock provides several built-in sounds, so select the one you prefer. You can also adjust the snooze duration if you want extra time before the alarm goes off again. Once you've finished customizing the alarm, save it and make sure the alarm switch is turned on. Yeah, an enabled alarm will remain active according to the schedule you've selected. If you need to change the alarm later, open it and adjust the settings. You can also turn the alarm off temporarily without deleting it, or remove it completely when you no longer need it. And that's how to set alarms in Windows Clock in 2026. With customizable times, repeat schedules, sounds, and snooze options, you can easily create alarms for work, study, meetings, or everyday reminders. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.